Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com, here today to show you our trailing arms for the 2011 to 2019 Ford Explorer. Ford really hit a home run when they introduced this iteration of the Explorer in 2011. Great chassis, great powertrain options, and a lot of room for you and your precious cargo. Over the years, as these have been on the market for a little while, they've been used for many different things. Again, to haul the family on vacations, to run to Home Depot to pick up some items, and even to tow your boat or your utility trailer, or in our case, the Silver Bullet. As great as it is, we found a way to make it better. The factory control arms have a soft durometer bushing, and now with these trucks aging, some being 8-9 years old, that bushing is likely torn already. So these make a great replacement for the stock trailing arms. They're direct bolt-in, no modifications are needed. Now what makes them really special is our exclusive use of 3 bushings. We use a center bushing to reduce deflection, so that's going to be a higher durometer bushing, and then softer durometer bushings on the outsides. This is going to insulate the connection from any type of noise, vibration, or harshness. However, we know that you're here to learn more about the performance benefits. The bushings that we use are higher durometer than the factory bushings. And what this does is this ensures that the rear suspension stays on its designed arc or within its factory geometry. And this is really important, especially when you're adding load to the back of the vehicle, whether it be your family and all of your luggage going on a family trip, or simply going to the home improvement store, picking up sand, stones, whatever it is you put in the back of your truck. The bushings are going to ensure that the control arm doesn't have any forward-backward movement, and really to make sure that the rear doesn't have any sort of tow out or tow in issues, otherwise known as bump steer, when you're traveling down the road with the extra weight. Now we've also constructed these of thick-walled tubular steel, and this is really important because this increases the torsional rigidity or the resistance to twisting under load, and we've just talked about how important that is. Like you, we quickly learned the limitations of the stock Explorer, so that's why we went with the higher durometer bushings and the oversized tubing so that you get more torsional rigidity. This is going to equal a more sporting feel when you're driving the truck around town and more capabilities and confidence when you're towing. Our trailing arms are completed with a durable powder coat finish, and they're backed by our Steeda lifetime warranty. We proudly manufacture these in the USA at our Valdosta, Georgia facility. Now, when you combine these with our adjustable rear sway bar, it completely transforms your Explorer, which brings us to this point. What are you towing behind your Explorer? Please be sure to tell us below. If you enjoyed the content of this video, share it with other Explorer experts. If you want to learn more about these and some of the other products that we offer for the Explorer as well as other Ford vehicles, visit us at Steeda.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and most importantly, have a great day. It's because millions of people watch this. Bending, tweaking, torsional, twisting. What the freaking Explorer owners, us. Oh, what the frick did I say? I had it. Frickin' A, man. Yeah.